Hello, everyone. Thank you so much. Welcome to the channel. I'm Anna. So Ask Anna AI. Today I want to review this journal for two reasons. One, because my friend did this. My friend did this, and I'm so proud of her. So I want to take a minute to share it with you. I'll put a link down in the a link below, and you can order one of these from Amazon too. But I want to take a minute just to talk about it a bit. But before I do that, let me show you what I normally do when it comes to planning, journaling, and taking, your to-do list every day. So here I've got two journals, and I get through these in probably about maybe 30 to 45 days. So what I do every day, this is what I use, right? I put it right next to my desk, and I will write whatever I'm working on, or write down a list of what I'm working on and date it and so forth, maybe who I'm meeting with. So I put it in blank lists, kind of with outline things, so you can see the size. Then I decided, well, that's cool. Let me get a bigger one, right? See if that'll help me. I'll have less pages to have to go through, and I write on front and back, and I use a 4-color pen. That's just what I do. So I got a box of those, right? So my friend Zira sent me a link that she had created this planner. So I decided, well, I'm going to get this planner, right? So it's called Minding My Business Goal Setting Journal Planning Relentlessly on a Mission. I know you just got to love that. And on the back, it has some empowering words: don't give up, dream, MVP, those kinds of things, just for encouragement, by ZTW Media. And that's the name of her company. But it's about 400 and something pages. So it's for 24 and 25. And what I love about it is, it's probably upside down a little bit for you, but I will turn it around for you. Okay. All right. So she takes a minute to tell you about this journal. Then we go into why goal setting is important, right? Your SMART goals, that's setting those SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Okay, so in addition to that, takes you through mastering those goals. Then 10 steps to your success is why are objectives and milestones important. So she'll take you through that. And it's really helpful. Sometimes we assume we know these things and we don't always know it. And sometimes there's some tips and methods that maybe you haven't heard of. And in this case, she's encouraging us stay focused in nurturing your success. Now, this is kind of where the planner starts, and she gives us the 2024 calendar dates. And this is an unmarked journal, which means you can mark it for whenever you want, but for the beginning, so that you can do your actual planning. She has put in here the calendars for those years. Okay. Then we go into prioritizing, and of course more goal setting information to help you as it relates to what your intentions are this year. Also, a tiny vision board. That's cute, because she and I did a vision boarding party per se. I did mine on an 8x8 step and repeat. She did hers on a little 2036 board, and this is even tinier. So it's really cute, a tiny vision board. But even though it's tiny, it can be really big dreams and visions. And my God, if you incorporate AI into that and let it help you with the whole mind mapping, and then you just paste it on there, you can get a whole lot more in there. All right, so here, what are your daily routines? Of course, what's on your bucket list, which is super important. You think about it, and maybe somewhere in this year you'll put it in there. What are your goals? Personal, financial, spiritual, your professional, your mental health and wellness. And if you set some goals for it, you're probably going to be a lot better. All right, and then quarterly goals. That means just revisit all of those goals that you set, and then start to place them on your calendar and things like that. Your doodles and brain dumps, that's really cool. Just drop it in there, whatever you think. right? And then we have the monthly planner where you go in and you put the month in and you can do your big goals that you know you have to do, or maybe you have standing appointments, whatever the case may be. Add those to the book. Then this week, this is the big goals. That's what we also call big rocks. You put those big rocks in there, and then you do all the little pebbles in the sands, and then you can get everything in the jar. If you've never seen that, you should go to YouTube and put in big rocks, Stephen Covey. A lot of people trying to take credit for it, but he was the original guy. All right, so today's top 3 priorities, which is really kind of cool because she breaks it all the way down to your micro, what do you need to do today, as opposed to this big vision. And what you'll see, there's a place for notes, and then each day focusing on those priorities. And just day by day, and maybe I'm not exactly sure, it may be set up maybe every 30 days. Then we have another set of opportunities for you to actually create your monthly goals, and then continue with weeklies, and then again priorities. So that is the bulk of this journal and this planner for you to use. So I'm pretty excited about it. I'm glad it's this size because I normally leave it right on my desk. I keep a clear space to leave it in that space, or whatever notebook I'm using. I try to use the exact same one every time. And so as a result of that, then I can easily go back within that month to figure out what I needed to do and if I need to continue to do anything for it. So thanks for watching, and thank you, Zira, and congratulations.